Sit. Good girls. Good girls. Good sweeties. Stay. Stay. Good girls. Hello my loves, and welcome to my art studio tour. I wanted to quickly thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video and for supporting my channel and the art community. I've actually enjoyed using Squarespace for 4 years now to build and host my online shop and website. So whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Start your free trial today at squarespace.com and visit squarespace.com/happydartist for 10% off your first purchase. Alrighty, let's get on with the studio tour. I'm just going to give you guys a quick pan of the entire room from different angles so you can see how everything is laid out together, and then I'll dive into the little corners and details. In the past, I used to try to cram everything related to my art business into one room, so I had my printer, my easel, my desk, and since I moved into a new house, I actually decided to separate things a bit, and I moved my printing station to another guest room so that this studio can be focused solely on creating art and editing videos. The atmosphere just feels a lot more organized and inspiring this way. Okay, let's start with this little storage closet near the entrance of the studio. Right now, it's still pretty empty. It has my paper cutter, some miscellaneous packing materials, and also the shelves on top are mostly empty. I'm going to be installing more shelves and organizational equipment later, so this closet is still a work in progress. By the window right next to the storage closet is my little plant corner. I have my humidifier running most of the time to combat the dry heat from my heater since it's actually cold now in Seattle. This cute little plant stand is from Ikea, where most of my studio furniture is from. And I like to spritz my plants with water several times a day just to keep them a little more humid. On the windowsill, I have this tropical plant that needs lots of light, and I'm propagating these 3 leaves that fell off of their mother plant. Right next to my plants is my little painting setup. This floor lamp is from Ikea, and I love that it can rotate up and down so that I can adjust my lighting as needed. Behind my easel is a shelf that houses a few little decor items such as this hanging plant and these beautiful canvas prints and calendar that I got from Zeno, who I'll be collaborating with soon to bring you guys some more art merch. My adorable studio assistant Molly is demonstrating what my painting setup looks like when I'm filming time lapses for YouTube. And on days when I'm not painting, I like to just rearrange this corner to make some more open space by just pushing this utility cart up against the wall. Next to my painting easel is my computer workstation where I edit videos for YouTube and Patreon and draw and sometimes just hang out. I wanted this desk to be not only spacious but also durable and last a lifetime, so I actually used a wooden kitchen countertop from Ikea as the desktop. And these white steel legs are from Etsy, and my fiance put the whole thing together, so this desk is super durable and not wobbly at all, unlike my old desk. These rollable white drawers moved with me from California, and they're super messy, so I won't show you what's inside yet, but I love hiding my daily planner and my iPhone right in between the drawer and the desktop. Underneath my desk, I have hidden some not so pretty things such as my subwoofer for my speaker and also one leftover speaker that's currently broken, so that's something I'll have to replace soon. My black and white laser printer that I use primarily for printing shipping labels, and tucked away in the corner is my trash can. And because I have so much stuff, here is another set of drawers. On top is my Epson Scanner, which I use to scan all of my artwork. By the way, I'll list the product links in the video description. I also have these commonly used pencils for easy access and this adorable parlor palm plant that my cat is obsessed with. Inside this top drawer are just some of my everyday use items, such as my pencils that I use for my planner and for drawing, my chapsticks, lotions, cuticle cream, hairbrush, earbuds, and just my little planners and extra sketchbooks that I like to refer to for just some daily inspiration. And up here we have my brand new PC tower. My old computer was slowly dying and making it hard for me to edit videos and get my work done, so my fiance was sweet enough to put together this brand new computer for me. I still have a lot of parts to update, but for now it's a great improvement. And this table lamp is the little sister version of my floor lamp, so I have a cute matching set. And my last monitor was almost 8 years old, so I upgraded to a brand new white one and a white keyboard and mouse to just keep up with the white and wood theme of my studio. On these wall-mounted shelves above my desk, we have some more plants. As you can see, I've been kind of obsessed with plants lately. This is a heart-shaped philodendron, which is one of the easiest houseplants, especially for beginners. I still have to hang this plant up on a hook, but that is definitely a project for later. This is a pothos plant from Ikea and a tiny little heart-shaped philodendron that my friend Amanda gave me, and it's grown so much from this past summer when I first got it. Here is a photo of it in its baby stages, and now it's got about double or triple the amount of leaves it once had. There's some more plants in these modern rectangular and square planters. This is a cute little air plant that actually surprisingly grew a flower while I had it. I've never actually nurtured a plant to flower before, so I'm very proud and I hope it blooms happily. And yeah, that's my cozy little computer desk workstation corner. Moving on to the other side of the room is this big window that I usually keep partially drawn because I want to let in light but also keep my privacy. And this corner is basically more art supply storage and more plants. Here I have some of my favorite art books from James Jean and Mark Ryden, this groovy red lamp for some mood lighting, and one of my favorite plants, it's called the Wandering Sailor, and it's got these beautiful purple and striped green leaves that are actually very iridescent and shiny in person. I love how the leaves sparkle as if they're coated in glitter or some sort of magical fairy dust. You guys might recognize this storage unit from my old studio. It moved up to Seattle with me, and it's actually a repurposed entertainment unit that I'm using to store some of my art supplies, blank gesso boards, sketchbooks, colored pencils, markers, and lots of miscellaneous little treasures. This large plant is fake, but I hope to get a new one soon, and this big canvas print is from Zeno, and I just think it ties up the space together quite nicely. Moving on to these big white shelves, the very bottom is a little napping corner for my little studio assistant, and this shelf is still a work in progress, but right now it just holds a lot of random stuff. At the very top is this beautiful fern I adopted from Safeway for only $17, and this is a print of my piece called Daydreamer, and also this original oil painting that you guys saw me make a video of last month. Here is another air plant that I put on top of some crystals, and all of these old palette papers and dried up palettes that I used before. I'm not sure what to do with them yet, but maybe one day I'll do something creative with them. Underneath are some more of my favorite art books and a scale that I use to weigh my packages. Hi puppies! Hope you guys are enjoying your nap! They always like to hang out with me here all day as I work, and they are just the sweetest little studio assistants ever. Moving on to this side, we have one single shelf storing their dog treats, and above is another shelf displaying some random stuff. I still need to work on my decor skills and presentation skills, so please bear with me. This is just the remote for my heater and some big brushes that I don't often use. This one is a hair clip that my mom wore when she was young, and I just think it's super pretty, so I like to keep it. And here is a little ring holder containing some cute little rocks and crystals I've collected over the years. This one was a gift from my dear friend Christina Webb. It's a galaxy stone, so pretty. And here is an opal that I bought from eBay. I just thought it was so beautiful. I've been thinking about making some jewelry with it someday, but for now I just like to hold it in my hand and stare at it. Some paint scrapings, which I still don't know what to do with, and my Gamvar and Gamsol from Gamblin, which I use every day to paint. And all these colors are from Gamblin. They're my favorite oil painting brand. I haven't gotten through to using every single color yet, but I definitely will in the future. Moving up, we have some paintings that are waiting to dry and also some more little sculptures. This metal mushroom is from Target, I believe, and these little cow figurines were gifted to me by a dear family friend. And you guys might already know this painting, Galactic Sea. I am still arranging to ship her to her lovely owner. And these adorable cat figurines I commissioned from my dear friend Tina Yu. The left one is Huan Huan and the right one is Booger Face. And on the top is just this temporary globe because I don't know what to put there yet. And lastly is this cute little rainbow light that I actually stole from my fiance because he didn't know what to do with it, but I really love how it makes the whole place feel really whimsical and fun. And that is about it for my studio tour. I think a lot of people can relate when I say that it never feels like the room is quite done. There are always things that I want to add, things I want to improve. I still definitely need to hang up my plants, figure out how to best optimally organize my shelves. But overall, this is my little safe haven, and I'm so glad I could share it with you guys today. So thank you guys so much for coming with me on a tour of my studio. Also, if you want to check out more artworks, works in progress, and just random daily artist adventures, feel free to check out my Instagram, and you can follow me at the handle @HappyDArtist. And if you're interested in learning more about how to paint and draw, I have lots of art educational content on my Patreon page, including exclusive video tutorials, step-by-step photo tutorials, live streams, podcasts, and so much more, all available at patreon.com/happydartist. I'd love to have you join my Patreon family. Thanks for watching. Bye!